Sass class with Amanda. Hey. In this video, we'll define a conditional distribution, again using two-way tables. Okay, so let's just remember that this is age variable and this is the presidential candidate variable. Okay, and we're looking at the 2012 presidential election. What is a conditional distribution? Well, a conditional distribution describes the proportion of individuals given some condition. Okay, so let me just give you an example because I understand that that wording might be confusing. So what if we wanted to know the percentage of 26 to 40-year-olds who voted for Romney? Okay, so you might just say that it's this 473,000 people, but that's not the percentage of 26 to 40-year-olds who voted for Romney. That's just the number of people who happen to be 26 to 40 and voted for Romney out of all the individuals. Okay, that's the intersection. So conditional proportion or conditional distribution is going to be the total of some category that you are examining, and then here it's of the individuals in this category, what is the condition imposed or what do you care about? So this is sort of like a subcategory total. Okay, so in the example we just gave, number of 26 to 24 or to 40-year-olds who voted for Romney, well, that's going to be this number, because that's the number of 26 to 40-year-olds who voted for Romney. But we're asking what percentage of these people voted for Romney. So we want to do this over the total. So it would be the 473,123 over the 985,673. Okay, so this is the total category, which is the 26 to 40-year-olds, and this is the total for the subcategory, or the condition, the individuals with the condition. Okay, and this ends up being approximately 48%, or I guess 0.48. Yeah. And so how can we understand this? Well, again, it's the number of 26 to 40-year-olds with the condition that they voted for Romney, which is different than looking at the people who voted for Romney that happened to be 26 to 40. Okay, so really for conditional distributions, it's very important to pay attention to the word problems, okay? Because if we did it the other way around, 473,123 would be over the 2,356,871, and that's approximately only 20%. Okay? Only 20% of the people who voted for Romney are between the ages of 26 and 40, or happen to be millennials. And that is more different than the intersection. The intersection would be just the 473,123 over the 4505372, and that's approximately 52%. Alright, so let's just, actually, you guys should work on these problems. Okay, work these out, and then reach out to me if you have any questions. what you should get is that the percentage here is 10%. What you should get here is 0.35. Again, notice the difference between percentage and proportion. Essentially, the idea of the two values are the same, but in terms of mathematical representation, let's just treat them as different. And then here, your answer should be 0.
My name is Llama, and I'm here to teach you stats, skilling you up with them cold hard facts. We live in a world of technology. They're collecting information on your humanity. Social networks, gaming, and in-home software.
Hello, Alexa.
Statistics helps us be more aware. Haters gonna hate my spicy lyrics. Why you gotta be so mean? Pulling me towards your extreme moods, but the median never fails to center me. 50 to my left, 50 to my right. Got these correlation and regression tools, forget them fools. My name is Llama, and I'm here to teach you stats, skilling you up with them cold hard facts. My name is Llama, and I'm here to teach you stats, skilling you up with them cold hard facts. The mean of the means is the mean. The mean of the means is the mean. The mean of the means is the mean is the mean of the means is the mean is the mean. Be careful not to fall in love. Statistical seduction from above. Your shape so beautifully symmetric to the eye with a single peak so high. I hypothesize and can testify that your p-value is the smallest I've seen. Mix that with a large power and I reach ecstasy. Your residuals defy the rest. A small scale randomized pattern tells me you are the best fit. My name is Llama, and I'm here to teach you stats, skilling you up with the cold hard facts. My confidence is so high, 95%. My margin of error so narrow, 1/10. Can you feel me? Can you feel me? I estimate your population parameter based on only one sampling. Oh, haven't the frequentists told you about me? We live in a world of data, attempting to understand life by statistical strife, the implicit bias of cops, success rate of them jocks, medical advances, and AI romances. Statistics.